Have you heard about 511? Have you wondered how to make it? How to make it right? So let's get in this video and let me show you how to get her done. All right, let's talk about what we're gonna be using. I screened some bark. I have a video that I'll post in the link description how to do it on the cheap. Got a container. Got my perlite. Got my binder, or the other part of the one, and some fertilizer. And over here in this red cup, I got some of my granulated garden lime. So 511, it's 5 parts pine bark to 1 part perlite to 1 part binder. That could be any kind of soil, as in a potting mix. It could be worm castings, guano, whatever you choose to use. All right, y'all, this is how you make 511 right. I already pre-moistened my bark, and then the whole reason why we use pine bark or fir bark is because it has suberin or lignin in it, and it helps prevent the decay of the bark. So this way it won't degrade over time. Yes, it'll rob a little bit of nitrogen, but you're gonna be constantly feeding it, so it's gonna be manageable. So it doesn't matter what unit you use to measure, just stay consistent. I use my hands. So here we go. So for the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's 5 parts bark, 1 part perlite, big handful, and then 1 part garden soil. Now I like to give like a little bit of Osmocote, and then I sprinkle just a little bit of garden lime, about 1 tablespoon per gallon. I got pretty big hands, so we just kind of wing it. Give it a nice stir, keep it mixed up really good. Rinse and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I dropped some. So that makes my scoop. And 1 handful of dirt, as I'm using cactus succulent mix. Some more Osmo. A little bit of garden lime. Mix it thoroughly. The beauty of 511 is that you can totally adjust it to your climate. I used to live in the Pacific Northwest, and I had to do straight 511. And now since I live in East Texas, I need to up the soil content for a little bit more moisture. So let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big handful of perlite. Oops, I dropped it again. There you go. I got some Osmocote in there, so I'm gonna go probably a little lighter. And then garden lime. And once again, get your hands down there and give it a good mix. This is a very well draining mix. Has great structure and aeration, so it wets and it dries evenly. That's why you want to use your bark to be a 1/4 inch, no more than 1/2 inch. So this way that the particles, if it was larger on top, would sit on the bottom and raise your perch table. And there we go. Now we have beautiful 511 mix for those gorgeous trees of yours. Is 511 mix the end all and be all mix? Absolutely not. For me, it's been dependable, reliable, and I've been able to keep my trees in it for 3 to 4 years, depending on container size and growth, not because of compaction and just general ick of more of a peat moss mix. But hey, there's different kinds of mixes out there. Later in the year, one of my other admins of my Facebook group, she's going to do a gritty mix video for us, so you just give it another variation. But hey, if you find this information valuable, please drop a comment, hit a sub, let me know what you like and what you want me to do in the future. Have a blessed day, and I can't wait to see you guys again.